All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Justin Clark here. Going to be taking a look at these crypto markets, in particular Bitcoin. And for those who don't know, the reason we keep such a close eye on Bitcoin is because it's a big bully in these markets. It bullies the little altcoins, and pretty much whatever Bitcoin's doing, the altcoins follow. But in an exaggerated fashion. So I know if some of you are new and you're watching this for the first time, it's kind of mind-blowing, but that's how it works. So it gives us kind of a cheat code for this market. We just have to watch Bitcoin closely, and then you can anticipate what's pretty much going to happen with the altcoins. So as you come on, hey, what's up, man? Good to see you, James. As you come on here, if you'd like to let me know who you are, what part of the world you're tuning in from. If you're seeing this live or on replay, that's always fun. Good morning, Mike. Welcome, welcome. If you want to get market analysis like this, pretty much to your, on the daily, push to your inbox or to your smartphone, follow me on Facebook or X.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen here. We're going to be taking a look at a chart called the MA Momentum, which this chart setup gives us kind of I know, man, believe me. I know, man. It's the best thing since sliced bread. No doubt about it, James. You know, what we're doing and what we can do with the system is just incredible. So anyway, man, great to have you on here. Hey, welcome, Holly. Good to see you. Yeah, great to see you here. All right, awesome. Absolutely. True. Believe me, my life too. You know what I'm saying, man? It's a lifesaver to know this system. All right. So let's dig into this. So the MA Momentum, it stands for Moving Average Momentum. This is a chart setup that we use to really take a bird's eye view of a coin or an asset and see what the key resistances and supports could be. To learn about this chart setup, if you're an iCoinPro member, go to my iCoinPro training and then scroll down to Micro Profit System Part 3, and it's right here, MA Momentum. It takes you about 40 minutes to do. Okay, so let's jump into our custom software, the iCoinPro Trading Portal. And this is software we built from the ground up. Nobody else has this. I'm going to click on Load Chart Layout and go to the MA Momentum chart. And let's take a look at this. So for those who are newbies, these green and red things here are called candles. They show what's happening with the price. In this case, on a daily basis, this is a one-day chart. So every single candle shows 1 day of trading. We have these lines here, this purple, maroon, yellow, green, these other colored lines here. These are called moving averages. And this shaded area is called a Bollinger Band. We're not going to get into how this all, is calculated. We just need to know how to use it. Here's the cool thing about this chart setup. You can quickly tell where a market potentially is, all right? If the price action is trading above all of these moving averages, and in particular trading above this light purple moving average, then we are potentially in a bullish market, and almost definitely not in a bearish market, which is great, and building up potentially bullish momentum. Now, on the flip side, if we're trapped underneath all of these moving averages and trading below this light purple moving average, the opposite is true. We're potentially in a bear market and building up bearish momentum, and almost definitely not in a bull market. And we'll need to reconquer all of those moving averages and stay trading above them in order to build up the bullish momentum. So where are we right now? Well, we're squishing. We're getting squishy. So we've got this green moving average. This is the moving average 100, looks back 100 days to calculate its price. And these other two here, three, actually. We've got three moving averages here that we're kind of squished under that are acting as upside resistance. And we're trying to stay above the green one and bust through these three. So what's happening here is we've got volume is getting lower, price action's getting tighter. So we're setting up, it's like a snake coiling up. It's potentially ready to strike or make a move. So possibly this week we'll see something happen. We'll just have to see. But anyway, we've got to stay above 95, K to keep the buyers excited, and reclaim 100K to get them even more excited, and then bust through 110K to get people absolutely losing it, right? So that's kind of the key levels. We got to stay above 95. If we don't stay above 95, we could come back to retest 89.90. All right, which could really cause the altcoins to implode a little bit more. So we will have to see. Now, there's something else on here. This is what we're looking at. It's a structure. A structure is when the market is building either like a triangle structure or different things. In this case, it's called a head and shoulders. So this is the left shoulder. Here's the head. And then if it plays out, we will build a right shoulder here. And then this is called the neckline, this purple line. So if we get below this purple line, then we have trouble. Okay. So, we'll see if it completes this whole structure or not. If it does a right shoulder and it keeps, perfectly makes this structure, then the high over here on this right shoulder will be lower than 110. Okay. So we'll have to see. Head and shoulders in this situation is a bearish reversal pattern. So it would mean that we could potentially be trend changing, right? The market tried to break through the resistance, couldn't, tried again even harder, couldn't, tried again a third time and failed. And then, the downtrend can occur. So right now, 95 is the key on the bottom, and then 90 below that. 110 is key, the ultimate goal on the upside. And we got to reclaim 100 to even think about doing that for now. The last thing I just want to talk about this is if we get what I like to call an early exit from a structure. So everybody's anticipating left shoulder, right shoulder, or head, then right shoulder. And if it plays nice, that's what will happen. But we could also get an early exit, which means the market nosedives, we lose 90K. And if that happens, the selling can get pretty intense because early exits cause the market, kind of catch the market off guard. They all have their plan. They're like, oh, we're doing this. And then it doesn't do it. And then people panic. On the flip side, if we all of a sudden rocket, like if this squish rockets us up and we bust through 110, the buyers can get really excited about that early exit. So we'll just have to see. All right. But we're in between. We're definitely getting squished. I'm believing there's some sort of move coming here, possibly Monday. It might not happen over the weekend because weekends tend to be slower, but maybe Monday we could see some volatility increase, which will be great. All right, longs and shorts. Longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down. Longs make money when the price does go up. Shorts make money when the price goes down. Right now, we're pretty much even. 58% on the longs, 41% on the shorts. Not really concerned about this right now unless this number, the longs, get over 70%. So if the price starts dipping down towards here and the longs go over 70%, then all of a sudden what's called a long squeeze can happen. And that's when, all of the people betting Bitcoin's going up get liquidated and squeezed out of the market. And it can cause a really dramatic price drop. But we're nowhere near that right now, just the potential on the chart. Hey, Troy, welcome. Good morning. All right. Last thing I'm going to look at is what's hot and what's not to trade. So things are tightening up across the boards. B3 has been fun. Volume's still pretty good. Trump is moving. So that's another one that I'm watching to potentially trade. And then, wow, it looks like WIF is starting to, it's still got some volume. Let me just see here. This recovery, not super duper exciting, but could be on there. This is a little low in volume. Anyway, maybe WIF if it does something really good. But definitely B3 and Trump are my top two coins that I'm looking at for trading as far as my buddy coins. All right, that's it, everybody. That's all I've got. If you want to learn how to trade these crazy crypto markets, we've got a free bootcamp for you. You can either get back with the person who introduced you to iCoinPro or share this video with you. Or if you're not sure who introduced you or you don't have somebody, you just found this on the interwebs, just shoot an email to support@icoinpro.com and they can hook you up with that free boot camp. And again, if you want market analysis like this pretty much on the daily, go over and give me a follow on Facebook or x.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, everybody, have a great day, and let's see what happens. Oops, sorry, in these crazy crypto markets.